무엇을 하기로 했습니다.
I've decided to.
듣고 꼭 따라해보세요. 스타트. 저는 책을 읽기로 결심했습니다.
I've decided to read a book.
I've decided to read a book. I've decided to read a book.
I've decided to read a book.
우리는 다시 꾸미기로 결정했습니다.
We've decided to redecorate.
We've decided to redecorate. We've decided to redecorate.
We've decided to redecorate.
낮잠을 자기로 했어요.
I've decided to take a nap.
I've decided to take a nap. I've decided to take a nap.
I've decided to take a nap.
담배를 끊기로 했어요.
I've decided to quit smoking.
I've decided to quit smoking. I've decided to quit smoking.
I've decided to quit smoking.
우리는 피자를 주문하기로 결정했습니다.
We've decided to order pizza.
We've decided to order pizza. We've decided to order pizza.
We've decided to order pizza.
저는 TV를 보기로 결정했어요.
I've decided to watch TV.
I've decided to watch TV. I've decided to watch TV.
I've decided to watch TV.
집에 전화하기로 했어요.
I've decided to call home.
I've decided to call home. I've decided to call home.
I've decided to call home.
피자를 먹기로 했어요.
I've decided to eat pizza.
I've decided to eat pizza. I've decided to eat pizza.
I've decided to eat pizza.
우리는 자원봉사를 하기로 결정했습니다.
We've decided to volunteer.
We've decided to volunteer. We've decided to volunteer.
We've decided to volunteer.
쇼핑하러 가기로 했어요.
I've decided to go shopping.
I've decided to go shopping. I've decided to go shopping.
I've decided to go shopping.
저는 여행하기로 결심했습니다.
I've made up my mind to travel.
I've made up my mind to travel. I've made up my mind to travel.
I've made up my mind to travel.
저는 놓아주기로 결심했습니다.
I've made up my mind to let go.
I've made up my mind to let go. I've made up my mind to let go.
I've made up my mind to let go.
우리는 이사하기로 결심했습니다.
We've made up our minds to move.
We've made up our minds to move. We've made up our minds to move.
We've made up our minds to move.
저는 행복해지기로 결심했습니다.
I've made up my mind to be happy.
I've made up my mind to be happy. I've made up my mind to be happy.
I've made up my mind to be happy.
우리는 투자하기로 결심했습니다.
We've made up our minds to invest.
We've made up our minds to invest. We've made up our minds to invest.
We've made up our minds to invest.
저는 다시 시작하기로 결심했습니다.
I've made up my mind to start over.
I've made up my mind to start over. I've made up my mind to start over.
I've made up my mind to start over.
저는 행동을 취하기로 결심했습니다.
I've made up my mind to take action.
I've made up my mind to take action. I've made up my mind to take action.
I've made up my mind to take action.
우리는 개조하기로 결심했습니다.
We've made up our minds to renovate.
We've made up our minds to renovate. We've made up our minds to renovate.
We've made up our minds to renovate.
우리는 차를 사기로 결심했습니다.
We've made up our minds to buy a car.
We've made up our minds to buy a car. We've made up our minds to buy a car.
We've made up our minds to buy a car.
우리는 유학을 결심했습니다.
We've made up our minds to study abroad.
We've made up our minds to study abroad. We've made up our minds to study abroad.
We've made up our minds to study abroad.
저는 공부하기로 결심했습니다.
I made up my decision to study.
I made up my decision to study. I made up my decision to study.
I made up my decision to study.
저는 글을 쓰기로 결심했습니다.
I made up my decision to write.
I made up my decision to write. I made up my decision to write.
I made up my decision to write.
저는 변하기로 결심했습니다.
I made up my decision to change.
I made up my decision to change. I made up my decision to change.
I made up my decision to change.
저는 여행을 가기로 결정했습니다.
I made up my decision to travel.
I made up my decision to travel. I made up my decision to travel.
I made up my decision to travel.
우리는 저축하기로 결정했습니다.
We made up our decision to save.
We made up our decision to save. We made up our decision to save.
We made up our decision to save.
우리는 입양하기로 결정했습니다.
We made up our decision to adopt.
We made up our decision to adopt. We made up our decision to adopt.
We made up our decision to adopt.
저는 운동하기로 결심했습니다.
I made up my decision to exercise.
I made up my decision to exercise. I made up my decision to exercise.
I made up my decision to exercise.
우리는 기부하기로 결정했습니다.
We made up our decision to donate.
We made up our decision to donate. We made up our decision to donate.
We made up our decision to donate.
저는 자원봉사를 하기로 결심했습니다.
I made up my decision to volunteer.
I made up my decision to volunteer. I made up my decision to volunteer.
I made up my decision to volunteer.
우리는 축하하기로 결정했습니다.
We made up our decision to celebrate.
We made up our decision to celebrate. We made up our decision to celebrate.
We made up our decision to celebrate.